How's it going, guys? You may recognize that truck. It's my mother-in-law's 74 with the TBI. See the Mega Squirt stuff there. The Mega Squirt itself is inside the truck. But this is not the subject of the video for today. You may remember my 2014 Ecoboost. Well, on those, in order to take full advantage of the 3-inch downpipes, you need to add a 3-inch resonator because the stock one is like 2 1/4. So my pipe expander has come in handy once again by allowing me to expand my own exhaust pipe. Obviously, that's kind of what it's for. Normally, you're supposed to, I'm still getting used to the directions of this thing. You clamp this section into the resonator itself, which is out on the truck, and then you weld this end to the muffler. But because I have an expander, I can clamp this end to the muffler and weld down here about 18 inches or so, because it's the extended cab frame. So I'm going to mark this out and get it cut, and then we'll take you up to the resonator. Or I'll bring the truck back here. Probably back here because my welder and stuff's back here too. So let's get to it. Okay, well, as you can see, I got the old resonator cut out. The new one hanging out under the truck. And I'm working on attaching it to the muffler. So for now, I'm going to use just a band clamp, but I'll have to weld it later on for sure. So let's get to it. Okay, there's one section. Just clamped on the muffler for now. And I'm going to put this section in up to there. Clamp up to here. Then we're good to go. And we can shoot an audio clip and head home. Okay, so this is the first time I'm hearing it. You have a slight leak in this area. I think it comes more from the manifold area than anything. I do have a broken stud on this corner though, so let me grab the tripod and give it a couple revs. Be right back. You're on the tripod. I'm going to give it a couple free revs. It's still cold, so I can't beat on it a whole lot, but actually didn't change a whole lot. I'm kind of impressed by that. But you can see the stock resonator here. Pretty small compared to a 3-inch pipe. Like, yeah. So we're gonna call it there. You know the usual. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment. I love chatting with you guys. See you next time.